to my channel. My today's recipe is a really easy, tasty bhindi recipe, bhindi fry or okra fry. I will share all the tips and tricks that you need to make a crispy and non-soggy bhindi fry. So please do try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll love it. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make the okra fry or bhindi fry, I have taken 750 grams of okra. You can cut this into any shape you want and then washed it really well and then dried it using a kitchen towel or a cloth. It's very important to dry the okra completely before you start cooking it, otherwise it can become a little slimy. So first we will fry the okra. For that, here I have 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding the oil and we will heat up the oil really well first. The oil is now really hot. Now I will add the cut bhindi or okra and we will fry the bhindi at a high flame for about 6 to 7 minutes. We will not stir the bhindi too much because then it can break and it becomes a little slimy. So just gently toss it and fry this at a high flame. We have fried the bhindi. Now I will go ahead and start setting the bhindi aside. Now I will add another 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and wait for the oil to be really heated up. The oil is now hot. Now I will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of ajwain. Ajwain gives a really nice flavor to bhindi. However, if you don't have ajwain, then just use 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add some green chilies. Here I'm using 3 green chilies that I've sliced in the middle. And now we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds. Now I will add about 5 to 6 garlic cloves finely chopped and fry this at a medium-low flame for another 40 seconds to a minute. Now I will add 1 large onion, about 180 grams that I have sliced, and we will fry the onions till it becomes soft and translucent. We don't need to completely brown the onions. So just about 5 to 6 minutes till it becomes soft and translucent. The onions have now become soft and translucent. Now I will add the fried bhindi and mix the bhindi well with the onions and we will saute this for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now I will add some dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1½ teaspoons coriander powder, 1½ teaspoons amchur powder or dry mango powder, and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. And now we will mix all the powdered spices really well with the bhindi and then saute this for another 3 to 4 minutes at a medium to a medium-low flame. And as you are stirring this, just be careful. We don't want to stir the bhindi too much. You can gently toss it like this way or use a spoon. So just be careful while you're stirring the bhindi. Now I will add some salt as per taste. And now again mix the bhindi gently with the salt and we will cook this at a low flame till the bhindi is completely done. So you can see how the bhindi is not slimy at all. So if you follow all the tips and tricks, then the bhindi will turn out to be perfect and on the crispy side. So we will now cook this at a low flame. Also, we don't want to cover the bhindi because that if you cover the bhindi, then it doesn't bring the crispiness. So just on a low flame, continue cooking the bhindi. Our bhindi or okra are now completely cooked and our bhindi fry is completely ready. This is a really easy, super tasty recipe. So please do try to make it this way and I hope you enjoyed. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.